Brendan.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Fishing.
Let's take a walk.
My hat.
Look where we're at, Jesse.
Oh, it's
Look
nice.
at this. Dam's right around that corner, son. Tell me I'm not a boater. You got to be kidding me. But that stupid ass shit you said. Let's go take a walk up the top deck. We got some poles in the water. Caught one striper earlier. One striper. Had to be about a 2-pounder. What's up, Brandon?
Yep. Fishing. Having a beer. Fishing.
Wow, that's awesome looking, man. Come on, we got to get another striper here in a minute. Look at that. Dam's right around that corner to the left. Look at you. Hey, make sure those ashes go out the boat.
I have them. They're going right over here.
This lake dropped a lot, man. Look at this. All right. Me and Brendan drinking these Ducatis out here. Ducati. I hope I don't drop this motherfucker in the lake.
What?
This fucking camera. This fucking phone, man.
That would be funny.
Babe, we're having a blast out here. Oh, yeah. We're just fucking chilling. Doing some fishing. We caught one striper already. Take some Ducatis. Here, let me go up underneath this mug. I'm not putting it in the old can. Hold on, is that done? Because we're running low. Jesse, you got to come over to the fishing hole, baby. This is my honey hole right here. Yes, sir. Got the poles in. They're going to get a bite here in a second. We just bottom. Hit one striper earlier. Probably 2-pounder, 1.5 pounds. Smaller one. I've caught much bigger. All right, Lake. Enjoy the view, son.
What kind of camera is that? Where is the camera at?
It's dual. You can do front and back.
No, but where is it? Oh.
You gonna put it in there?
No. I'm drinking this. Here.
Hey, pick those matches up.
Take this one too. Here. You bring me a can, dude.
No, you ain't getting. Here, what kind of can? Oh, you mean here? Hold this. Oh. That's what you get with two drunk ass motherfuckers on the lake. Goddamn.
Sitting on a motor right now.
Here, there's some with some liquid in it. Sitting on a motor with fucking gas fumes, and he's Here, let me get some of that.
No.
No, I want to smoke some of it.
You don't.
Yo. You crazy motherfucker. No, that's my beer. The last one's mine, son.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
That's yours.
Oh, God. Let's put some music back on. All right, let me drink the rest of this. This is warm-ass beer. All right. We'll give you another one later when the song pops up.